Welcome on Micro's channel. This is our first DIY video about how to build your own Neopixel ring lamp. In the upcoming project videos you can follow a step-by-step tutorial, how to build electronics and use Micro's framework. Here you can see the necessary component list and simple wiring for the RingLamp project. The standard board for these project is ESP32 is one of the most popular chip on the market, but you can use any other supported device. We need a Neopixel LED string or specially for this project a Neopixel ring with 24 segments. To be able to switch the lamp manually, we will need a touch button. Furthermore, you will need 5V 2A power supply and a power jack connector to be able to connect the power supply with the lamp. You will need an enclosure for this build, that you can find the lamp 3D print files on Thingiverse. It has 4 pieces: enclosure base, electronic enclosure, transparent light reflector, light cap with touch button. Currently there is no any program on your ESP32 board. We have to program it up to have the software functions in place. For this I recommend to use Micro's Dev Toolkit GUI. Follow the 4 easy steps for ESP32 programming. Connect board to your computer and start Micro's Dev Toolkit. Start Micro's Dev Toolkit. Select board type. The matching micropython version will be automatically selected. Select Deploy via USB button. Press yes and follow the steps. Let's see it in practice. I will use macOS for this demo, but you can use Windows as well. The steps are the same. Start the pip package with devtoolkit.py command from command line or PowerShell on Windows. Time-lapse time. Let's build the electronic. Open Micro's client, select Devices page. Click on plus to add device. Connect Micro's node access point. Default access point name, node 1. Default node password, admin 123. Select predefined Micro's configuration, in this case Neopixel LED profile. Add a name for your device, like ring light. Add your Wi-Fi name. Add your Wi-Fi password. press on Save and Reboot. microOS client will wait for Node Wi-Fi connection and adds it to your device list. Close device page and check your default Neopixel widgets. With the gear icon, you can check the exact commands used for Micro's communication. Furthermore, you can modify and add new commands, also widgets to customize your user experience. Check the Build with microOS Dev Toolkit built in Neopixel test application. Press the like button for more details. Final positioning of the Neopixel ring. It is important to have the correct position for the light reflector segments. And the final assembly. Power on and demo time. Color test. Button toggle test. Rainbow effect. Meteor effect. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and press the like button.